Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a Toyota Prius Plus, 69 reg, one owner, hybrid, front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, rear camera. Very clean car, as you can see, privacy glass in the rear, alley wheels. Also is remote, it's keyless, so when this locks it and when you grab it, it unlocks it basically. Half leather seats, side airbags, heated seats as well, handbook here, heated seat switch down there. Blinds in the rear, so you can one-touch windows. These seats will fold obviously down. There's your rear seats there, you can see. A little bit dark now unfortunately, but you get the idea. There's your camera there. These seats will fold down as well. Both these seats will fold down. Luggage compartment cover there. Blind on this side as well. Folding mirrors, electric folding mirrors as well. All auto means one touch. Electronic number support, height adjustable driver's seat. Into the vehicle, 14,522 miles, so low mileage. There's different EV modes here. To start the vehicle, you put your foot on the brake, push this button, the vehicle starts. As I say, there's the heated seat there, control. Illuminated vanity mirror, both sides. You can change this menu up here, what you want really. I like the clock, radio, as I say, put your foot on the brake, reversing camera. Climate control here. Got this pocket here, which is for handy for storing stuff, pocket and armrest here. Cruise control, speed limiter here. This is your collision warning, basically. Telephone button here, voice activation, park, this button here, CD player here, and the car, you have all these different options, what you want, what screen you want on really, set up, different options there, navigation. All goes off. To turn the vehicle off, you push this button here. It's auto lights as well, as you can see here. Exit the vehicle. Self-parking, which is this button here. If you call, we will do a WhatsApp video call showing you the self-parking. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please give us a call.